An introduction. Why use recycled materials? It's good for the planet. While crafting might not seem to be the first course of action that comes to mind when you think of ways to take care of our planet, you'll be surprised at the impact that recycled crochet can make. Not only will you be keeping material out of the landfill, but also lessening the demand for the manufacturing of new materials. Sadly, whether you buy yarn made from natural or man-made fibers, current manufacturing practices often leave a lot to be desired when it comes to using environmentally friendly options. It's cost-effective. Have you ever gone to your local craft store and drooled over expensive specialty yarns that you know you can't afford? This is a way to still have them. You'll be amazed at the bargains you can find at your local thrift store once you start to use a bit of imagination. This guide will show you how to turn what may be a fashion nightmare into something truly beautiful. It's fun. If you're the sort of person who enjoys shopping at sales, digging through clearance bins, or clipping coupons, this is another way to experience the excitement of the hunt. You not only get new yarn to work with and an eventual end product, you also get the satisfaction of telling friends and family just how you made your beautiful projects. You'll become more in touch with your materials. By the time you're ready to start using your yarn, you'll be intimately aware of its weight, texture, stretch, and strength. You'll know just what to make with it. Common crochet abbreviations. 2 brackets, work instruction in brackets, however many time directed. 2 parentheses, work all instructions in 1 stitch. CH, chain stitch. CHSP, chain space. DC, double crochet. DC2TOG, double crochet 2 stitches together. HDC, half double crochet. HDC2TOG, half double crochet 2 stitches together. INC, increase. REP, repeat. RND parentheses S, rounds. SC, single crochet. SC2TOG, single crochet 2 stitches together. SK, skip. SLST, slip stitch. ST parentheses S, stitches. TOG, together. YD parentheses S, yards.